Hi everyone. Oh, still got my hazards on. Let's turn that shit off. Second exit. Oh, interesting. Wow. So there's been a few challenges going round, and I thought I'd. Well, let me sort this out. There we go. Right, yeah. So there's been a few challenges going around, and I just thought I'd do my own answer to tell me something about yourself, sort of thing, and tell me about something about yourself that other people don't know. And I mean, one sec, let me do this roundabout first, and then we'll do it. Yeah, so tell me something about yourself, right? So, where do I start? My name's Brandon, everyone knows that. When I was younger and I had my first 125, I started a group called Berkshire Bikers. Everyone, literally everyone, including some of my best friends, still to today, laughed at me. What a terrible name. Anyway, we grew. When we grew, I mean we grew. You still find the group now, I know you can't find it actually. There are copies of similar groups out there. Yeah, we had a massive falling out. Someone deleted the whole group because at the time I was quite a novice. So how do you make a group sort of thing? Someone else set it up, made themselves admin, and then deleted it because we fell out with them. Second exit, that's cool. Anyway, yeah, and then we became a MCC. And to become an MCC, it's not as simple as going, right, I want to become an MCC. You've got to get sanctioned. Sanctioned is permission, in theory, from another club, another MC. So the club that I got sanctioned from was Wessex Hells Angels. Yeah, Wessex is Reading Hells Angels. People go a lot on about the Windsor chapter and that. It's non-existent anymore. Windsor doesn't exist. It's a slough. I got to meet a lot of lovely individuals in Wessex Hells Angels. I don't want to say too much because it might spoil their credibility. But yeah, definitely some lifelong friends for sure. And yeah, so there's that side of my life. Another side of my life, I'm a triplet. There you go. I've got two other sisters. I've got one sister who is incredibly successful in what she wants to do in life. She works for Vodafone and she's on a 6-figure salary. Absolutely phenomenal. Same age as myself, which is 25 at the recording of this video. But on Sunday, tomorrow, I'll be 26 on the 22nd of May. What else? Oh yeah, I've got another sister as well, obviously. Yeah, it's one of those things, it's a bit of a dodgy subject, probably not best I go into it, but easiest way to put it is lots and lots of drugs were involved. And we've lost that connection with my mum because my mum just can't accept it in a way. So as she can't accept it, she's now best friends with my sister who takes all those drugs, who lives in London, by the way. And she's pushed myself and my other sister, who's the successful one, away from the family. Yeah, it's quite sad. I guess you could look at it in an emotional way. I'm old enough, I'm wise enough now to kind of remove that away from my life. I'm pretty stubborn, to be honest. If I was to ever fall out with someone, or if someone was ever to say anything bad to me, I'm the type of guy to hold a grudge, that's for sure. Recently I fell out with my sister over lockdown, second lockdown, and yeah, I didn't speak to her for like 4 months, 4 months, over something really, really petty. Same with my mum, didn't speak to her for like 8 months. I still don't really speak to her, maybe like once every 2-3 months maybe. Everyone talks about cherishing the moments with your parents, but there's only so far I think you can with individuals if they're not prepared to remove the blanket from their eyes, which someone's obviously put there to hide the truth. Then there is a very, very little point in trying and wasting energy in trying. Yeah, so we've got that. Mental health is a good one, and I'm sure the Rev Bomb and Simon would probably be more intrigued about this. I don't know who else. It's quite sad actually. I can kind of feel my nose twitching, and like I'm starting to kind of like well up. I'm about to jump on the M40 north anyway, I think. Yeah, I'm starting to like, well, mate, I don't know why. Let's get to these traffic lights anyway, and you can probably hear the popping and banging. It's because I've just had my bike mapped. It's incredible. But yeah, nonetheless, yeah. So where do I start? Mental health. So when I was 17, 18, yeah, about 18. When I was 18, no, I must have been 19. I was 19, so when I was 19, about 7 years ago. Oh, it's green. Whoops, my bad. Let's start that conversation again. In a minute. Right, we're on here for, oh, I know, tell us in a minute. 34 miles, so we're going to sit in this lane for a bit, I think. Shift it to 6 so I can tell you my story. Yeah, so when I was 19, remember the first story I told you about forming this club. I'm a very outgoing, I don't really care, zero BS type of guy. I invited this guy who used to ride up to our local hangout area at the time to come over and meet us. He had a GSXR 1000. He was a lot old. He wasn't older actually. I think he was about 24. I was 19. He was from South Africa. His name was Chris. It's so incredibly difficult to talk about because it's still such a fresh memory that I have in my head, and I struggle so hard every single day. And what I do, what you see of me is me. I'm not denying that. What you see of me is me. I take the piss or anything like that, and it's not because I hide. No, it's not because I hide. I think it's because I've never dealt with this. Anyway, so I was 19, had this massive club that was going. It was just about to turn into an MCC at the time. We haven't quite got the sanction. We were going through meetings to get sanctioned from the Hells Angels. Our colours, our patch colours, were black and white. Outlaw colours. Hells Angels loved that because massive no-no to outlaw colours, but they're like, fuck it, you can have it, and it just felt so much more special. Anyway, so it's Chris guy. So the week before, we're like, mate, don't worry, you can be our staff at arms. and we had a chat going, a group chat, and he was like, sorry mate, I'm not going to come out because I've got leaky forks. I didn't say anything. I had to use the chat as evidence in a police case when it happened, but I didn't say anything. And anyway, he came up to HCAF. It was May bank holiday. Hello? Yeah, you okay? What's up? Yeah, no, it's going good, mate. I'm doing my 10-minute vlog. That thingy, you know? yeah. But no, it's good. Yeah, I'm just chilling, mate, at 60 mile an hour. I've got fuel. I'm on the M40. It says I'll arrive at home at 9 o'clock. Well, dead on 8:59, which will probably decrease once I open the accelerator. Because like I said, no, nowhere near, mate, nowhere near. Like I said, I'm literally doing 61 mile an hour, sat in the slow lane while I do my little vlog, and then once that's done, I can open it up, you know. Alright, no. Yeah, I will do, mate, I love you. Oh, yeah, amazing, mate, amazing. I can fucking see behind me. Yeah, I love you too. I will do. Right, bye-bye. Right, so where was I? So yeah, South Arms. It's like a week before we got thingy, talking about the patch colours. It was May bank holiday. There we go. That's where I think that's where we were. May bank holiday. I was supposed to be working, so I called in sick because I was a chef at the time, and I had stupid hours, extremely unsociable, and I was like, fuck it, like that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to call in sick. So I remember riding past my old work, and he was here, I was here, and he was blocking me so people couldn't see me ride past the work. I need to change lane. Anyway, yeah, so that happened. We get up to H Cafe, which is, where is it? Wallingford in Oxford. I don't really know. I don't know how to explain the story without explaining the build-up to the accident, sort of thing. I'll explain the whole thing. Fuck it. Anyway, so we're about to leave. We're about to piss it down with rain. And Chris was just this random guy. I don't know why. I don't know how he did it, but he found a random guy, and they managed to take a picture of all of us. Still don't know the guy's name. I'll put the picture up. And that's the last ever picture with him. Last picture his family ever saw. Anyway, we all left. Doing about 40 mile an hour. Everyone has fucked off in front. I was on a YBR. I'm 6'3", 4". I'm built like a fucking fat man. And yeah, and 40 mile an hour anyway. He went to go and accelerate up to the speed limit of 60, I think it is, or 50, whatever it is. And so he went to go accelerate. Bear with me one sec. So he went to go and accelerate. Fucking hell! Lift the visor up. Fucking hell, man. Anyway, he went to go and accelerate. He then hit a curb on the right hand side.